love. When you done you, baby, come closer, come closer. Let me be your lover. Oh. I will hold you tight, treat you nice. If you be my lover, oh. Baby, come show me love, come show me love. Oh. I will give you my love. Oh. If you be my lover, oh.
Ah.
Yes. Didn't you like it?
I like it. I like your visit.
Let's go inside.
No. What do you want to see?
Pregnant for you.
For who?
For you. For
You
you.
don't see that guy. That guy with the waka. You don't see them? Huh?
Safide, I said it's you.
You don't see them?
There is God, oh. There is.
Safide,
I
I'm
live with my
pregnant
brother.
for you.
Pregnant for
I'm pregnant
Look
for
at
you.
you. Shameless girl. Okukibo. Come on. Get out from my house. Okukibo. Look at you. Look at you. Monkey.
So, after everything, Safide, I just came to your house. You told me to go out.
Go out.
God will punish you.
Punish me. God
God
will punish me
must
already.
surely punish you.
You people used to share everything. Share.
God must surely punish you.
Don't be
Unless
those
it's not
guys.
me.
Don't be those guys.
God must surely punish you.
Just
Just watch. I gave you only 2 days. You will see.
Only once.
Jesus is.
Okay, you're under arrest. You have to be silent for what you say you use it in the cup of law. So
For this girl. No, this girl.
Officer.
That night.
Hey, Oga, go. Arrest him. Go.
Mr. Float.